Walking in the sun or in the snow, we can feel the excitement growing, knowing it's the greatest time of year, and it's here. Help me say.
Hello my loves, get excited because I am finally announcing my Christmas series, Get Jolly with Sam. I don't know, I couldn't think of any other name, but I'm really excited because this video is DIY Harry Potter makeup brush holders. Man, that's a tongue twister because I could not say that before I started filming, so I'm like, let me practice this a few times. But I am so excited. I love the way that these came out. They are a perfect Christmas gift to give somebody if you're on a budget or if you have friends that love DIYs or family members. Now, I just made these for my sister and I because we have so much makeup brushes and I was like, I need more, and I'm like, wait a second, let's do Harry Potter brush holders. And I was like, I know that you guys will love to see this, so I'm pretty darn excited about that. Also guys, I reactivated my Facebook and I have added a lot of you so far. Well, you guys added me, so feel free to just keep on adding me. My name is Samantha Kumal and I also have a Facebook business page for my channel, so you guys, it would mean the world to me if you guys give me a like on there and review my channel and just interact with me some more. So let me know what else you guys want to see. You guys can also do that on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat because I would love to hear your opinions and I'm really excited to interact with you guys and share things with you and tag you guys in posts and vice versa. So with all of that said, let me cut all this chit chat and let's get right into this video. For today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, and guys, as usual, if you do recreate these, please tag me in pictures. I really would love to see your recreations. Now, you do not have to do all of the houses. You could just do your house if you want to. I mean, it depends, whatever you want to do, or if you're making them for somebody. But you guys can share it with me on my Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter, or Snapchat. Any of those is fine. And until next time, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!